Alright folks, today we're going to be reviewing a certain brand of Oreo, a certain flavor of Oreo that I've never tried before. It's the Chocolate Hazelnut Cream flavor. My guess is it's going to taste like Nutella, which I'm really a big fan of. Personally, my all-time favorites would have to be the Neapolitan Oreo and the birthday cake flavored Oreo. Mint chocolate would have to be a close second for these. So yeah, let's try them out. And ooh, these are very decadent looking. So let's try one of these out. Alright, here we go. Cheers, folks. Very rich, very creamy. Yeah, if you're a big Nutella person, I would say definitely give these a try. They're worth a shot. And yeah, if you're rationing these out, this family-sized box should last you and your family a while. So I'm gonna get into the second one right away. Yep, chocolate wafer with the chocolate filling, definitely the way to go. I could almost compare these to like those like chocolate Girl Scout cookies, except not as rich. Or another good example would probably be like a Christmas cookie, just with loads and loads of chocolate. And for something richer, you'd probably want to go with like a chocolate cupcake, although that'd be a lot more filling and a lot more like more regret than anything. But with this, it's just 2 cookies, and you can just enjoy a little bit of sugar every now and then. But overall, I'm going to give this a meatball score of 8 out of 10. And yeah, I would say do give these a try. Another alternative, if you want something a little different, would be the mint chocolate cookie. But yeah. Bye!